Hey guys, I'm Max from Theatrics, and we are here in the One Source studio in Hazlitt, New Jersey. Today we're going to go over the Theatrixx converter line. Theatrixx started in 1999 as a small custom cabling and power distribution manufacturer. Now today, we've grown to a large distributor and manufacturer that sell their product in over 40 countries around the world, and we have close to 100 employees for us full-time. So over at Theatrixx, we've always seen video converters as the weakest link in the chain. So that's why in 2014 and 2015, our R&D team decided to design the most reliable converter, specifically designed for the broadcast industry, live event, and the pro AV market. When we did our market research, we realized that a large portion of the converters were actually replacement unit. So we decided to give up on that portion of the market and focus on building a converter that will last for years. The number one feature of the Theatrixx converter is the internal power supply. Now, most converters on the market will use an external power supply, also called a DC adapter or a wall wart. In order to bring more reliability to the converter, we decided to put the power supply inside the unit. And we use a locking power con as the power input, and we also have an Edison outlet. Now let's go over the chassis. It is made of a 1/4 inch aluminum casing. If the converter is dropped, for example, the first thing that's going to hit is actually the side of the converter and not the connector, which protects the internal PCB from any external stress. Another small feature that is very important is we have a nut that goes over all the BNC connector. A lot of converters on the market do not have a nut. And when you put in a very stiff BNC connector, you could easily damage the internal PCB. By adding a nut, all the external stress is transferred on the chassis, which is the strongest part of the converter, and protect the internal circuit. Now for stacking and storing, we designed a unique magnet system. We embedded magnets at the back of the converter. We also added a strong rubber pad at the bottom of the converter to make sure that they stay secure and they don't slip off the table. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you need any more information, you can go on onesourcevideo.com. We can also reach out to your authorized reseller.